Hello everyone, my name is Jaspal Singh and I am a STEM trainer at MD Innovatives. Today we will learn how to make your account and games from scratch. So first of all, you need to know about Scratch. Scratch is a virtual programming website where you can make animations and games. For starting Scratch, you have to open your web browser and search Scratch. The first link will appear on your screen that says Scratch, Imagine, Program and Share. You have to click on this and this page will appear on your screen. So today we will be making a ping pong game. Let's see how it is. This is my game. I have used three sprites in it: ball, a paddle and a line. This is the program for my ball and this is for my paddle, and last this is for line. Let's see how it works. Let's play. So this is the game we'll make today. So let's start. So first of all, we have to make an account. To create an account, you have to click on Join Scratch right here. You have to create a username, say Jaspal, and you have to create a password. Username already taken. You have to create a password and enter it 2 times. Just simply copy and paste it here. Now click on Next. Then next you have to select your country. All the countries' names will appear here. So you have to select your country. I will select India and next. Then you have to select the month and the year when you were born. December and year is. When you are done, click on next. Next you have to select your gender. Click on next. And last you have to enter your email address. Then you have to click on create your account. So you all can see our account has been successfully created. So let's click on get started. So this page will appear on your screen when your account has been created. For making new games and animations, you have to click here on create. Okay. Right here, this box is called stage, and this area is called coding area. And the left hand side in the different colors, you can see all the options related to program. So first is motion. All the motion related blocks will be here. Looks and sound, events and so on. So for making a ping pong game, we have to select the sprites. For selecting sprite, you have to click here. You can select a sprite or you can also paint any sprite from here, and you can also upload any sprite from this option. So we will select, we need a ball. So there it is. Then next we'll need a paddle. So you can search it here, paddle. And the last one is a line. Okay, we are done with the sprites. Then next we have to choose a backdrop. So we will select any backdrop from these. Neon tunnel. So let's start with the programming. So first we will make program for ball. You have to go to events, and there is an option that says when green flag click. You have to place it here. It means whenever we will click on this green flag icon, the game will start. And when green flag click, it is very important because without this block, no program will run. Second, we have to go to motion. There is an option that says point in direction 90. You have to change the value of 90 to 45. You can type it here also, or you can change it with the help of this arrow also. So we need 45. Next you have to go to controls. In control there is a block forever. Inside this forever block, all the blocks inside the forever block will repeat themselves until the game is on. So next you have to go to motion. The first option that says move 10 steps. You have to place it like this inside the forever block and change the steps count from 10 to 15. Then next, from motion you have to select an option that says if on edge bounce. So basically when the ball will touch the edge of the stage, it is supposed to bounce back. So now this is program number 1 for ball. Now we will make program number 2. Similarly, you have to select this when green flag clicked. Now you have to go to variables. We need to make a new variable naming score. Type it here and click on OK. Now you have to select a block that says set my variable to 0 and click on my variable and change it to score. So whenever the green flag will be clicked, the game will start. Your score is supposed to be 0 every time. That's why we have used this block. Then next you have to go to control. We'll drag a forever block. Next there is a conditional statement if then, and you have to place it inside the forever block. Now you have to go to sensing, the light blue color option, and there is a block that says touching mouse pointer, and to place it inside the box and click on mouse pointer, change it to paddle. Now we have to go to variables, and this time we will drag a option that says change my variable by 1 and click on my variable and select it score. Now you have to go to motion, and there is the option point in direction 90, place it here. Next we have to go to operators. All the mathematical related conditions are here, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So we need a subtraction condition and place it here. In this you have to type 180, and the next block you have to go to motion, and you have to drag a direction block and place it here. Next we need a move 10 steps and place it here. Change the steps count to 15. Now go to control, and there is an option that says wait 1 second. Change the count of seconds from 1 to 0.5. So we have done with the programming of ball. Next we will program for paddle. We have to go to events. When green flag clicked, next you have to go to control. You have to drag a forever block. Now go to motion. Select a block that says set y to and change the count to -157. Next we are supposed to go to control and place a conditional statement if then. You have to place it for 2 times, if then, if then. Now we are supposed to go to sensing. There is an option that says key space pressed. You have to place it here like this in both the blocks. Now click on space and change it to right arrow and second one to left arrow. Now we are supposed to go to motion, and there is an option that says change x by 10. You have to place it here and here respectively. And for left arrow we'll change the count to -10. Now last we have to make a program for line. Again we'll go to events. When green flag clicked, now we are supposed to go to looks. switch backdrop to neon tunnel. You have to place it here. So whenever your game will start, your backdrop should be neon tunnel. Now we are supposed to go to control and drag a forever block here. Place it here like this. Then if then conditional block. Now go to sensing and there is a option that says touching mouse pointer. Drag it here and change mouse pointer to ball. Now you are supposed to go to control and in control there is a block that says stop all and place it here. Now we will go to backdrops. Click here to see the backdrops and click on backdrop 1. In backdrop 1 we are supposed to create a new backdrop to display game over. So we have to click on this text option and click here and simply type game over. We'll change the color to red and increase the size and we'll name this backdrop. Change the name from game over. So we are done. Last last you have to go to looks. For line there's an option that says switch backdrop to neon tunnel and place it here and change it to neon tunnel to game over. So let's have a quick look on all the programs. So the first program, when green flag click, whenever we will start the game by clicking on this green flag icon, the ball should point in 45-degree direction and inside forever we have placed move 15 steps and if on edge bounce. So the ball is supposed to move 15 steps as it is inside the forever block, so it will happen again and again and each and every time it will touch the edge of the stage it is supposed to bounce back. For program number 2, when green flag click, set score to 0. Whenever your game will start, score should be 0. Like here you can see. Inside forever, if ball is touching the paddle, this green paddle, then your score should change by 1. So it will increase by 1 and the direction of ball will change to 180 minus the current direction of the ball and it will move 15 steps. Wait, let's have a look for paddle. When green flag clicked, inside forever, set y to minus 157. So we have set the position of paddle to minus 157 on y axis. If right arrow key pressed, then change x by 10. It means whenever we will press the right arrow key from the keyboard, so paddle should change the position by 10 on n axis and for left arrow it should change the position on x axis by minus 10. So when we will press right key it will move towards the right side and when we will press the left key it will supposed to move to the left hand side. For line, when green flag click, switch backdrop to neon tunnel. So whenever your game will start, The backdrop will be neon tunnel. Inside forever block, if ball will touch the line, if this ball will touch this red line, backdrop should change to game over that we have made and stop all. Stop all means stop all the programs that we have created for every single sprite including ball, paddle and line. So let's see how it works. Like this, you can see our score is changing. When the ball will touch the red line, the backdrop automatically change to game over. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.